A big thanks to Napoleon Grills for sponsoring this episode.
Hey, I'm Pitmaster X, and this is a beautiful piece of pork, which I'm gonna turn into porchetta with the best ingredients. So let's get started. If you need the recipe for this porchetta, it's on pitmasterx.com, link down below. This piece of pork is exactly what you need for porchetta. Basically, we got pork belly on the bottom and we've got the loin still on. Traditionally, porchetta is made out of a whole pig, which you take out the guts, open it up, put stuff in, then sew it back together. Of course, I'm gonna do it on my home style grill, which of course won't fit a whole pork. So I'm gonna use a normal size cut section of a pork. Next up, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn this piece of pork into a real Italian style porchetta. The first thing that I'm going to do is butterfly this piece of pork, which means I'm going to cut the thickest part open. This will help me spread out all of the spices equally on this piece of pork. Talking about spices, I want to season this heavily with salt. This is a lot of meat, so don't be afraid. Next up, we're going to go with ground pepper, followed by fennel powder, some rosemary, and to finish it off, I'm gonna add chili flakes. This is gonna make the porchetta very, very interesting. Now I've got this porchetta all seasoned up. We got so many spices on it, it's a flavor bomb. Now there's one thing left to do. Let's roll this up. Look at that beautiful piece of meat. We gotta apply some pressure, and what we want to happen is have the two pieces of skin meet each other. Now we got the porchetta looking like we want it to, but it's not gonna stay in this position by itself, so I'm gonna securitize with some butcher twine and then sew it up. I'm gonna be cooking my porchetta on this beautiful grill. I put this thing together myself in the Napoleon factory. This is my little baby. Of course, if you don't have a grill like this, you can do it yourself in the oven. It's very easy. Just chuck it in there, set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius and leave it there until it starts bubbling on the inside. It's fully cooked. But if you want to make it extra special, you're going to put it on your grill. Now I'm going to use the rotisserie for this job because that's going to give me the perfect result. I'm going to fire up this grill right now and I'm going to take you on my journey for the perfect porchetta. I've got my pork belly sitting on the rotisserie with both outside burners on, so we got indirect heat. And within a few hours, this is going to transform into the most beautiful porchetta you've ever seen. The only thing I still need to do is jab some holes in it. That's gonna let the fat render out while the skin stays intact. And now, all we gotta do is wait. I just got the notification from my meter thermometer that we reached our desired core temperature. Look at that meter thermometer right there on our rotisserie while it's rotating and no wires, so that's the perfect solution. Look at that beautiful golden brown crust. That's what we developed over those 4 hours that it's been rotating. And if I touch the skin, I can feel that most places it's hard and crunchy, but in some places it's still a little bit softer. But the skin feels real thin, so that means that it's fully cooked and fully dissolved, so it's gonna be easy to digest. But I want my skin to be the best it can be, so I'm gonna turn on my back burner, and this back burner is gonna give infrared heat on that skin, radiating, drying it up and making it extra crunchy. Now this is what I'm looking for, the pure golden brown, and combined with that crispy skin, that real crispy skin. So this is completely done. It's time to take it off the grill and let it rest. I absolutely love making porchetta. It's a labor of love, and in the end, you get so much in return. Basically, normally, they will make a sandwich out of this, like it. And then it's for lunch. So you would have cold porchetta, fresh made overnight, just for a lunch sandwich with a glass of wine. What if you make this for the holiday season? What if you make this for Christmas or Thanksgiving already? It could be yours. It's a labor of love. You can spend all day doing this, and then show up with such a beautiful result. Just listen to this. Like, I don't know any better dish than this. This is absolutely my absolute favorite. I'm gonna say something scary. I like it better than lechon.
Pitmaster, you're a weird man. You're insane. This is lunch? This is insanity. I get the whole Christmas thing. This is perfect for Christmas. For lunch, that's a heavy flavor bomb. That's a heavy bomb. A bomb of flavor, fat, juiciness. But man, you can share this with all your Christmas guests. This is perfect. Thanksgiving, Christmas, here I come. So let's give it a try. I'm not sure I want to go for those crispy parts, but I'm gonna be a good boy and eat a slice first. All right? Let's be a good boy for once. Here we go.
You might think, well, you didn't put anything on the skin, so it has no flavor. No, 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 no. That's why we poke the holes. All of that flavor oozes out, coming from within, through the meat and outside to the skin. So that's what it makes it amazing.
Whoa.
I was gonna say muito bene, but that's not Italian.
You're going to the lechon side again.
Muito bene, but it's not muito bene.
No. Fat from porchetta tastes so different from normal pork fat. It's strange, but it does. I don't know what it is. It's just cooked differently. It hits differently. It is different. I love it. I love the Italians for doing this. I love pizza of this, or a couple more things, but it's a long list.
Every time I make porchetta, it becomes just a little better. And this is the best one so far. So make sure you check out the recipe. Don't forget about that, pitmaster.com.
All right, insanity sandwich. Here we come.
Yeah, oh yeah? All right.
No?
Yeah.
No?
But like,
I'm just a little bit scared of it. It's
Yeah.
like you said, lunch.
I thought we were gonna eat this whole first,
Yeah.
and then eat
No.
the sandwiches.
I'm gonna eat it with bread. This is how the Italians do it, right?
All right.
But not for lunch, for dinner, man. This
This is for lunch.
big.
We eat it, but
But they eat,
I don't get it.
they eat yogurt in the evening, I think.
Yeah, really, they must.
They must. Cheers.
Cheers. I totally get it. The chili flakes though. The chili flakes.
It is really Italian. It's like all those herbs and flavors that are supposed to be in it. It's like it really adds to it. Before we started eating, I was thinking maybe some cheese on it or sauce, but no.
Dude,
No, you don't need that.
if your porchetta is any good, never ever put sauce on it. If you have a shitty porchetta, put sauce on it. If you have a good porchetta, don't. I hope you guys enjoyed porchetta, and if you do, and you know what to do, go visit pitmasterx.com, check out the recipe. You can do this. I trust you. Come on, you got this. You can do it.
I can do it.
Thank you to the patrons and the YouTube members. See you guys next time. Until then,
Eet smakelijk.
and keep on making porchetta. If you want to see Morrison make anything, just comment down below.
Yeah.
Morrison's always looking for good ideas.
Yeah. Mainly because I'm lazy.
I'm not. Coming up with ideas is the most fun ever. Some are really stupid. And has some brilliantly stupid ideas. Maybe we should save this for the vlog. We're gonna save this for the vlog. Check out our vlog, the link's down below as well. And we're gonna talk about our most stupid ideas.